For a long time, I used to think that the biggest secret to success was simply having access. Access to money, access to amazing opportunities, having the right connections, or knowing the inside secrets that nobody else knew. But if you look around right now, something beautiful is happening. For the very first time in history, the doors are wide open. The powerful tools that used to belong only to giant corporations are now sitting right inside your phone. One regular person sitting in their living room can now build a website, design a product, write code, share their voice with millions, and automate a business. All from a simple laptop, sometimes just with a phone. And yet, I truly believe most people will still never catch this wave. Not because they can't, but because they won't. I know that sounds a bit heavy, but think about it. Most dreams don't die because they're impossible. They die because we talk ourselves out of trying. We play this quiet game of waiting. We tell ourselves, I'll start when I'm ready. I'll start when I know a little more. When I have more free time, more confidence, more certainty, more experience. But while we are waiting and overthinking, someone else is just beginning. And they aren't smarter than you. They aren't more talented. They were just willing to look a little messy and make mistakes before they felt ready. We get confidence completely backwards. We think we need to feel confident before we try something new. But confidence doesn't work that way. Confidence is a reward. It only comes after you take action, never before. Nobody starts as an expert. Every single person you look up to today was a confused beginner once too. The only difference is they didn't quit when it got boring or uncomfortable. They stayed in the game long enough to get good. And technology isn't changing that human reality. If anything, it's making it even more obvious. Because now that anyone can start, the tech itself isn't the superpower anymore. The real superpower today is just consistency. Can you keep showing up when nobody is watching or clapping for you? Can you keep learning when progress feels painfully slow? Can you keep building when you feel completely unsure of yourself? Because that is exactly where most people stop. Not on day one, but somewhere in the quiet, messy middle. When the initial excitement wears off. When the idea isn't new and shiny anymore. The biggest winners over the next few years won't be the tech geniuses with the fanciest tools. They will be the ordinary people who simply refuse to stop showing up. The future isn't built by one massive, perfect breakthrough. It's built by thousands of tiny, ordinary actions repeated day after day. And honestly, that should make you feel incredibly hopeful. Because it means you don't need to be the smartest person in the room. You don't need a massive audience, perfect timing, or anyone's permission. You just need to begin. And then, you just have to outlast the collective attention span of everyone else. When you look at the world today, the real question isn't whether the opportunity is there. The opportunity is real, and it's waiting. The only question that matters is, are you actually going to do something with it? That answer is entirely up to you. If you're ready to stop waiting and start building, hit subscribe and let's figure out this future together. I'll see you in the next video.